Finally taking it to the track. Today is the day. Well, tomorrow's the day, but the car's going to the track. There you go, Nick. Hey. All right, guys, so here's the game plan. We got the RV, we got the car. We're gonna go get it loaded up on a trailer, take it to Devon's, and we're gonna do autocross with a whole bunch of Porsches tomorrow. So we'll see how the Spider hangs with the Porsche Club. All trailer attached. Thanks, seeing that, Nick. Think you got a chance?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Be fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
Gulp. Nick, you passed tech?
Passed.
Nice. That's good. I'm stationed out on track, ready for Russ and Nick to go by. They do it in like batches of runs. So I think they're doing like 2 or 3 batches of runs and they're switching drivers. Now I got the GoPros hooked up, so I should get some good angles, but I wanna get some exterior shots as well for you guys to show you how well this car is doing. We got some slaloms back here. We got a Chicago box. So it'll be a really good thing to watch the car, see how it acts and behaves, and let's just see how it runs. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out the other videos if you haven't seen the other ones before this. You should really check them out.
All right, here we go. First run ever. New turbo. We'll see. I'm gonna take it easy, all right? Real easy. Not like that guy. Yep. 7. Oh, that was ridiculous.
We're gonna say Nick made it off course.
I probably was. Unfortunately, I don't know where.
Oh, she just said it. How did it feel?
It's crazy.
Too swivelly? I mean, you lose the grip? Glad you get it on.
Not really. Like, oh, easy. Yeah.
Behind you did a 360 as soon as he took off.
Oh, nice. No, I was a mess. I was just like trying to find out where to go, and
Sure,
like
first time. That's why it's good you're going again.
in second gear, like just the slightest bit of throttle, and it's just like way too much power.
So, and did you stay in second the whole way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing's moving around back there.
Nothing leaking. Everything looks fine.
All right. Wow. Okay, so I guess I went off course, but I don't know where, so it makes things kind of tricky. If I go off course again, I guess I'll have to review the footage. Oh my goodness.
Holy cow, you got a 90. The girl, 71.
Yeah.
How could it have taken you 20 seconds more?
I was all over the place. You have to, in second gear and high RPMs, you have to just lightly touch it.
It's gonna be so different. I'm used to, you know, last time we were in it.
Brake, smash the gas. Yeah, it's a little different now.
And you said you spun one time?
I spent like enough that I probably hit some cones at the side of the car.
Oh.
I didn't go full 360. Look at that aero pack in the back.
Special design. Just never had time to put the bumper back on. Nope. Completely off course. Back there, I was lost. I was absolutely lost. 90, 92.
Hey, not bad.
First runs are notoriously hard because you need to learn the setup, and on top of that, Nick and Russ had the added challenge of feeling out the MR2 with all of its new added power. One thing that was abundantly clear is that we are in desperate need of some coilovers and grippy tires to keep up with this power. But this in essence is car building. You buy it, you break it, you build it, and you race it. And you just repeat, always making adjustments and strengthening bonds along the way. That's not going anywhere. All right, guys, so that does it for the first day on track with the MR2 Spider with the Turbo Kit's turbocharging kit and all the work that has culminated to this point. And we want to talk to Nick about how the car went, because when I was out there filming most of the day, I'm like a mile and a half out there, and the car looked like it was squatting into the power quite a bit. Suspension and tires is definitely something we've got to talk about for the future, but I feel like the power was maxed out. You used all of it, and the car just looked and sounded really healthy, and it was really moving out there.
Yeah, the power was absolutely night and day. Just the torque in the low end that we were completely missing before,
yeah.
And then just that power. When you're in second gear around 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, it just the slightest little tap of the throttle, and
you could hear it.
You could hear it. Full boost. It was incredible. It felt naturally aspirated. It was absolutely perfect. No mechanical issues at all.
Yeah.
No
leaking oil. No like that.
No leaking. No burning. Everything works great.
And this, it's worth mentioning that this is a very fast course, and people were getting up to 70, 80 miles an hour, and you guys must have been reaching 60, 70 easy.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Take a look at the logs.
Yeah, definitely. So Russ is behind the camera. He also did a great job. He's doing a great job holding the camera now. But just want to shout out to Russ because he did a great job and running the car as fast as hard as it can go. Make sure you guys check out turbokits.com if you're looking to build an MR2, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.
So make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning. We have a lot more MR2 content coming your way.
Yeah, that's great. That's really good.
Woo!